I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful earrings. They're really, really easy. My name is Sherry. I'm the owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. I have some wholesale earrings that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use some of my authentic African print fabrics. I have a fabric pack of African print fabrics that I bought on my trip to Nigeria last year. The fabric pack, it has 10 glam fabrics in it. Now what I'm going to show you has 7 glam fabrics, but I've added 3 more. But isn't this beautiful? They're all so shiny and rich. Look at that. That's why I call them the glam pack. And with authentic African print fabrics, you can use either side. You have the glam side, and then you have the side that's the regular colors. Look at this rich red and purple and blue. I just love, love, love these fabrics. I will put a link in the description if you want to check these out further. But again, it is my 10-piece glam pack. The pieces are 12 by 12. So if you're a jewelry maker, these sizes are just great for making jewelry. The wholesale earrings come in a pack of 12 pairs, and it's a little over $6. I had been looking for a good wholesaler since I moved from California back to Florida, and I hadn't found one until I stumbled upon this company, and it was Florida based. They have moved now to New Jersey, but they mail really, really quick. So there's a video, and I'll link this video in the description, and it'll give you the information about the wholesaler. I picked 3 pair of the black earrings out of this pack of 12, and I'm going to put the African print fabric on to these wood pieces. But first, I'm going to paint the front of it gold. I love this gold paint. It is so rich. It is Folkart Treasure Gold, and there's a link to it in my Amazon store. I had considered painting the back gold, but I decided to just put some dots on it and call it done. Now I'm going to apply UV resin to just really make these pop. All right, good people, you know the drill. Please give me a comment, like, share the video, subscribe if you haven't. And don't forget our Tuesday live subscriber chats. Come and join us. Show us what you do. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.